Okay, so I said I was going to come and talk to you guys about how to update your credentials, your names and addresses with TransUnion and do it online. Honestly, the fastest and easiest bureau to do this with. I mean, literally, it's 30 seconds, and then the results are normally back to your email within. I've seen them in as short as 30 minutes, but for the most part, they're done within a week. So I'm just going to take you step by step as to how to create an account with TransUnion, as well as some of the steps to take to go ahead and do your disputes, because technically they are disputes, but to change and update your names and addresses with TransUnion State. All right, here we are with the TransUnion website. You're really just going to come in here and you're going to start to fill in your information. So fill in this form the best that you can to get started. When you're done, you're going to go down here and hit this Submit and Continue to Step 2 button. And then you're going to actually create your username and your password for TransUnion. And then when you're finished, just click this orange button. All right, so the next page is going to take you to is your security questions, and it develops these security questions based on what it sees in your credit report. So do the best that you can, and it's actually okay if you click none of the above because they're kind of testing you. When you're done, verify my identity. And it's going to let you click the continue button. That's going to take you into TransUnion itself, where you will you'll see these 4 boxes, and what you want to click on. So what you want to click on is this dispute button, and that's going to take you into the portal itself. The yellow button means that you can start the request, and you can do that online. It's available. But if you have previously done disputes, you're going to see them down here where it'll say previous disputes and requests. But in this case, we don't have that, so we're going to go up and we are going to start the request. You can read over the disclosures here, but once you're done with that, agree and get started. Now, this brings you actually into the TransUnion credit report proper, and immediately the first thing you see is your identifiers. So take a look over this. Make sure that the address that you see and the social that you see is correct. Any AKAs for women, we see these a lot. Sometimes for men, we see them. Most of the time it's for women. What I'm going to do here is my client has actually changed their address. The address is wrong here, so we're just going to change that address. So we're gonna just click that button to change it, and then we're going to pick which one is actually the current address. And then we'll scroll down and we'll submit that. And then I'm going to go over here to add another item because I want to start getting rid of all of these details that are here. I want all the old addresses to go away. So here you can see we did change the address. We changed the current address. And now I'm going to start to delete everything else that I don't want on this credit report. So here we are. I've done all of them. This is a review of what is actually going to be in dispute. I'm going to go ahead and submit dispute and then hit yes, submit when it prompts me. And here it's just going to tell me to check my email address. So because I did this online, it wants me to check my email address, or I'm sorry, to check my email for the results. And normally these are back within 30 minutes to 72 hours. I mean, it's really, really fast. So make sure you check your email. So that's the gist of it, guys. TransUnion is my absolute favorite. They are crazy easy to get done and very, very responsive. So if you are looking to find out where your credit report is now and where it can go, make sure you book a consultation with us. I'll leave the link in the details below. If not, and you just like watching the channel, make sure that you subscribe, and we will chat again next time. Take care.